Naura case, accused is arrested. In fact, he is surrendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained it was found out after 3 days, and we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone, which was thrown close by. The canine had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He is in judicial custody. We're treating that as a special report case, and we'll be charging that case very soon. So the
Minu kia ayah fayah long dan banyak.
kia ay kasni ban bod hi
Kata tarik.
hari tu kasni kata hari kasni bagi kan ma bhag tarik ma ha life ho tarik.
So what was the motive of the murder, sir?
The motive, there was an altercation because between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her.
So when was this murder took place, in the night or in the
Yes,
daytime?
at night.
At night.